Many people fearful about their futures. So I'm here to tell you today that there is no more strong bipartisan government that is collaboratively working on behalf of all Canadians. There is no form of capitalism that is raising the fortunes of the middle, raising all the ships in the harbor, making everybody feel like they can afford a little more next year. There is no view of industrialism today that says, no, we are going to invest our resources domestically and grow our own fields, grow our own garden. And there's certainly no public education system that is producing bright, shiny candidates to come into your organization. There are other businesses in the world right now that are looking at this as an opportunity. They're looking at these things that I mentioned: democracy, capitalism, the notion of industrialism, and education as the new competitive frontiers, because they have realized one very simple but one extremely profound thing, and that is that we have hit the end of the era where corporations do nothing but take. We have reached the era where there is nothing left to take. Right? Corporations cannot simply continue to take from these societal systems without giving back, because we have bankrupted the systems. And they recognize that the worm must turn here. We're going to have to begin as organizations contributing back to these things. And that means that we're going to have to embark on a massive rethink, a rethink of everything. We need to rethink democracy, the very idea of democracy. Because what is the point of democracy? Every 4 years we go and vote, right? But what does that actually do? And especially, what's the value for you as business people of democracy? Well, here's one rather important point. Democracy opens up the ability to have a free and fair market. They go hand in hand. In fact, there are some experts that believe that without democracy, you simply cannot have a free and fair market to thrive in, to build your fortune in. But there are all kinds of other things too. Management of essential systems, fire, roads, police forces, things like that, and maintaining a system of equal opportunity where any business can be started, where anyone can be a success. Capitalism loves democracy. Capitalism hates dictatorship. And so we have to look at this relationship with government differently now as business people. Because let's face it, for a long time now, we've done what we could to sidestep regulation. We've done what we could to obfuscate. We've done what we could to sort of come at loggerheads with business in too many cases. We need to understand that we can be friends with benefits. Many people